much does an outdoor remodel cost? It's one of the first questions homeowners ask when they start dreaming about upgrading their backyard. And honestly, it's a smart one. At System Pavers, we believe pricing shouldn't feel confusing or mysterious. While every outdoor renovation is different, the factors behind the cost shouldn't be. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain to explain what actually goes into the cost of an outdoor remodel, and why it's nearly impossible to give an accurate price without seeing your space and understanding your material choices. Yes, square footage matters. But it's really just the starting point. The size and scope of your project influence how much material, labor, and preparation are required. Things like excavation, grading, elevation changes, and drainage all play a role. A flat backyard is very different from a sloped one, and ensuring water flows away from your home, not toward it, is critical for long-term durability. Add in elements like retaining walls, steps, patios, driveways, or utility access for lighting and gas, and the scope can change quickly. Many times, these types of renovations aren't extras at all. They're essential details that protect your investment. Material choice is another major factor in outdoor remodel cost. From paver patios and driveways to pergolas, decks, and turf, materials vary in style, size, strength, and availability. For example, if you're choosing pavers for your driveway, you want to ensure they're engineered specifically to handle vehicles. Choosing the right material matters for more than just looks. Your material choice plays a big role in lifelong performance and longevity. An experienced designer will help you balance budget, durability, and style so you get a space that fits your vision and lasts for years. Here's something many people don't realize. Much of a quality outdoor renovation happens below the surface. This is especially true when it comes to paver installation. At System Pavers, our patented permalast layered install system includes proper excavation, geotextile fabric, compacted crushed rock, and more. This layered approach helps prevent shifting, drainage issues, and premature wear. We perfected it over the last 3 decades. This allows us to confidently stand behind every project with industry-leading workmanship warranties. The same goes for artificial turf. We install all our artificial turf with a properly built base designed for drainage, while always using antimicrobial infill and non-toxic turf to ensure your yard stays clean, safe, and beautiful. Cheaper paver or turf installation quotes often skip these steps. We don't, because cutting corners up front usually means costly repairs or redoing the project later. Who installs your project matters just as much as how it's built. Working with a licensed, bonded, and insured outdoor remodeling contractor protects you from unfinished work, safety issues, and failed inspections. System Pavers has been in business since 1992, with thousands of completed projects nationwide. You get superior craftsmanship backed by decades of experience and a dedicated project manager on every job. From soil conditions to climate, we know that every region has unique challenges. Our local renovation experts design outdoor spaces that perform beautifully where you live. Because at the end of the day, every outdoor remodel has a price. The real question is whether you're getting the value you deserve in a space that you can enjoy for years. If you want to know exactly what your outdoor remodel will cost, the best place to start is a free, no-obligation design consultation with System Pavers. You'll meet with a local remodeling expert who will measure your space, talk through your goals, create a custom design, and provide a detailed, transparent price. All of this so you can move forward with confidence. At System Pavers, we want you to be happy with your remodel and your entire outdoor renovation experience. Contact us today to learn more.